all, welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel Sita and Sitara. Most of the people don't consume avocado because of its taste and smell, but today I am going to do two different recipes with avocado where rest of the ingredients in this recipe dominate the smell and taste of the avocado, but consuming avocado is very healthy. Now let's finely chop some green chilies, some garlic and some coriander leaves. Then take the avocado, cut it into the middle and remove the seed of the avocado, and then take a spoon and scoop the meat of the avocado, take it into the bowl and mash it finely with the fork. And then once it's finely mashed, we have to add this chopped garlic, chopped green chilies and chopped coriander leaves, and then some salt. Now we are going to add the wheat flour as required to make a chapati dough, soft chapati dough. You do not need to add any water to this or some oil to this. As avocado is also called butter fruit, it's very soft in texture. You do not need to add any oil or water to this. Now let's make chapatis. Sprinkle some flour and make it a chapati. Whether you add ghee or you don't add ghee, but these parathas are very buttery and soft in texture. You can have it with anything you want. Now let's see our second recipe, which is avocado smoothie. Take a mixer jar, take 2 scoops of avocado, 1 medium sized banana and 1 tablespoon honey. To that add 100 ml of milk and close the lid and blend it finely. And now to that add 100 ml of water and blend it again. That's all, our avocado smoothie is ready. This is rich and creamy smoothie which you can have for your breakfast.